Hello, one and all present here. This is Amit Kumar Singh, and welcome everyone to my class where I'm going to discuss very important concept. Here I'm going to discuss VLOOKUP and index function, and we are trying to solve this VLOOKUP and index function when we have values which are repeated. Okay, guys. So if you see in my set of data, so here you can see certain names, and the problem with these names are many of the names are repetitive. Okay, so in order to see the repetitive value, I can go to conditional formatting all HL. I'll go into conditional formatting. Then if I go to H and then if I press D, I can see all the duplicate values. So you can see you are trying to work on VLOOKUP, and the problem here is that you can see the many values are repetitive here. So if the values are repetitive, then what is the problem? The problem here is that because the values are repetitive, like suppose if I want to fetch the data of Amit Singh, so then if I apply VLOOKUP, it only will give me this values. So the first set of values, okay. Like suppose if I'm looking for Michael Faraday sales of Q1. So if I'm looking for the sales value of Q1, so let hide this F first, control 0. So if I'm looking for sales of Q1 value of Michael Faraday, and if I apply VLOOKUP, so you can see there are a lot of Michael Faradays here. So if I say okay, lookup value, this is the value lookup. Table array, what is your table array? This is the set of table. Okay, comma, then column number. What is column number? So in column number you're looking for Q1 sales. Okay, so I'm just using match function. If you want to know more about match function, you can go through my videos in past where I've discussed solving the problem through match and index. In order to get the column number, we can very easily use the match function. No need to manually count the column number. Fine, and we'll get the value. In order to understand how you get this option box, you can understand by using data validation. So you can watch my video on data validation, how to work on data validation. You will get a much more better picture on data validation. You can see here, so I can change the sales value, and whatever sales value I'll change, I can probably I'll get a different values here. You can see, so if I'm looking for the value for Michael Faraday, so there are a lot of Michael Faradays are there, but VLOOKUP always search the value from top, and it found the Michael Faraday here, and Michael Faraday quarter 3 value is 27,993. It gave it. So if I say, okay, I'm looking for Michael Faraday quarter 1 value, so Michael Faraday quarter 1 value is 26,184. It gave it. But there are a lot of other Michael Faradays also there, and I'm looking for their values also. So then how I can do this? Or how I can do this. So here neither VLOOKUP can help you. Here neither index functions can help you. So if you apply index function here also equal to index, if I apply equal to index, then then the value what you are looking for. So the reference number. So here you can use the array. So you can select the complete data here, comma, then a row number. So what is your row number? So I can use match command for here for the row number. So look for this value, look for this value here. Fine, look for this value here. Okay, and give me the row number, while for the column number use the match command. Okay, look for this value, so it will give you the column number. So it will give you the column number. Which column number is this? Comma 0. So if you see Michael Faraday Q1, so you can see 26,184. So if I change this, so here quarter 3 value, Michael Faraday, you got 27,993. So even then I am using index function, or if I'm using VLOOKUP, none of them could able to help me to understand or to work on the scenario where more than one Michael Faraday is there. more than one values is there. How will we get that? So it doesn't matter here. I take Michael Faraday or Amit Singh, whichever values are repetitive. Excel, either when you work on VLOOKUP or either you work on index match function, it will fetch you the data which is the first one value. Okay, so in order to solve this problem, what we can do? What I'll do in order to fetch this value, uh, before this name of the employee column, I will create one more column, Control Shift Plus. So like this. So here, this is something like helper window, anything you can say. So here, what you do, select this name B2, uh, then Shift 7 ampersand, double quote, okay, double quote, then dot, then Shift 7 for ampersand, then use count if. Okay, so count if, so use B2 to B2, okay, comma B2. Fine. And then what you do, fix this first set. One. Now what it will do, it will now what this function will do, it will tell you like which all values, how many times repeated. Like you see Amit Singh repeated once, then you have Amit Singh twice, then you can see Amit Singh thrice, then you can see Amit Singh 4 times, Amit Singh 5 times is Amit Singh. You can see 5 times Amit Singh is there. So how many times the value repeated? Like Imran, Irfan Pasa only came once. Michael Faraday has came 4 times. So this will tell you the total count. The value is repeated. Let's just do format center. And let me just put the border for them. So you got the border, everything. Fine here. Now, next thing, suppose what I want to do. Next thing, what I want to do, like the moment I put any name here, like the moment I put any name here, like if I say write Amit Singh, if I write Amit Singh, so the moment I put any name here, automatically the how many Amit Singhs are there should get blink. Something like this I'm looking for. So for this, what you can do, select the data on which you want to apply the blinking cells. Then go to conditional formatting, all HL. Okay, then new rule N. Okay, then use a formula to determine which cell to format, equal to. Okay, click on the cell where you want to pull the data. 1 minute. Control up arrow this cell. Okay, then this equal to which cell? This equal to B2, I guess. B2 is the first cell. Okay, so remove this double quote. Remove this uh, dollar sign on B2 from B2. Go to format, and here you choose any color, the color which you want to make blinks whenever you write that value. So simply you can see this. If I actually write Michael Faraday, if I simply write Michael Faraday here, so you can see. Okay, if I write here Michael Faraday, Michael Faraday, you can see all the Michael Faraday will get blink. Fine. So you can see all the Michael Faraday's got blink. If I write here Michael Faraday, right here Michael Faraday, you can see it got blink. So I hope you got the logic. Fine. So if I'm applying VLOOKUP here, VLOOKUP on index match function, I'll write VLOOKUP. Okay, this lookup value this. Okay, shift 7, double quote, then dot, double quote, shift 7, click on 1, fix this cell. Okay, so that it should take Michael Faraday 1, Michael Faraday 2, 3, 4 like this. Okay, comma, table array. So what is your table array? So it will take from here. Okay, then column number, use match function. This, comma, comma 0, then comma 0. Fine. So VLOOKUP. So this Amit Singh 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. It will keep moving. Table array. Fix the table array here. Fix your table array here because you'll keep going down to search the value. J4 match. That value should be fixed here. Okay, and this should be also fixed. Okay, and then what you can do, if you want, you can write if error. You can use if error. So in case of error, what you can do, in case of error, write no more repetition. How you will get error? When you will get error? So you may get error. Maybe the values are less, repetition is less, and you're given more numbering. So here I have by default given 5 numbering. Okay, so if I say, you can see this sales value. So imagine if there's now 5 Michael Faradays are there, is it? So fine. Something else which got repeated, like Mona Lisa Gajind. Mona Lisa Gajind. Suppose if I write Mona Lisa, Mona Lisa Gajind, you can see only 4 Mona Lisa Gajind were there. So fifth one Mona Lisa, it came as no more repetition. I hope you got the logic. So whenever you're using VLOOKUP, if something like this happens, you can easily do this. So now the same thing I can do by using index command. Index. So index command, if I do, then so here in array I'll select everything. So here in array I'll select everything. Then 1 minute. I'll select all my data. Let me just fix the cells. Then row number. So row number. So row number. I'm looking for this value. So fix this value. Where you're looking for this value you're looking from this. Fix this. Comma 0. This is your row number. Comma column number. So you're looking for this value. Fix this cell. This value you're looking from here to here. Okay, B1 to F1. Comma 0. Then if you want you can use if error. then you can write no more repetition. So you can see if error index match. Okay, so here, yeah, so shift 7, 1 minute, I forgot to add that one. Shift 7, double quote, then shift 7, yeah, 1 minute, index, and this was, so this is if error index match I4, this is I4, then H5, B, okay, no, this one should be, this one should be from here, yeah. Fine, right? So you can see this. So this was the index command. So we use the index command to make sure that if any repetition happens, so by using this, we can save ourselves from the repetition problem, and all the values would be visible for us. So here I did this problem by using both vlookup and index command. So whenever I'm using index, whenever I'm using vlookup, I'm using by default match command with index and vlookup to make sure that I get the required value. So that counting part should not be done. So if when we are using match command, for us, no need to perform any form of counting. So guys, I hope you understood this. So if you like the class, don't forget to click on the like button. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, so please subscribe to my channel to get the latest update of all the importance of different concepts related to MS Excel. Thank you everyone. God bless you. Bye.